Security operation teams, big or small, share key functions. In a traditional model of SecOps or SOCs, when I say SOCs, I mean Security Operation Centers. They divide these functions into a tiered analyst structure. So what do I mean? We will have tier 1, triage, tier 2, investigative, tier 3, threat hunters. So all these teams are differentiated by experience of analysts and their capabilities. Let us begin with tier 1. Tier 1, triage, the triage guys. They spend most of their time combing through event logs in search of any suspicious activity. In the event, they find an interesting activity that needs to be investigated further. Then they package it into an incidents report and they escalate it to tier 2. Tier 2, the investigators. They dig deeper into the incident report and they try to create a timeline of events, correlate events to find a root cause of the threat and the extent to which it has infiltrated an organization or the environment in which they are working in. So after the investigation and they have gone through all the materials that was applied to them, they come up with a forensics report. It is this forensic report that will form the basis of remediating any breaches that may have occurred and a response. Then this forensic report is further handed down to tier 3 members who carry out threat hunting. So majorly the threat hunting will take into account the forensics report and try to see if there are any other threats that slipped through the detection software. If the threat is found, the threat hunting team will also add into threat mitigation measures. So that is how a typical security operations center is run. But there has been criticism of how SOCs operate because there's this issue of warning fatigue or threat fatigue, and actionable intelligence is what is needed. Advanced threat detection is not about the number of threats. Rather, it's about better and actionable threats. And that is why this is just a segue for us to discuss the tooling for a modern security operations center. So with that, thank you. That forms the episode for week 3. Thank you.